Meaning of frizzy.
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 Frizzy. The term frizzy refers to hair that is tightly curled or wavy, creating a fluffy and voluminous texture. Frizzy hair can be difficult to manage because the individual strands tend to separate and tangle easily. It is often characterized by a lack of definition in the curls and a tendency towards dryness and breakage. People with naturally frizzy hair may struggle to achieve a sleek, smooth look without using heat styling tools or chemical treatments. However, embracing and enhancing the natural texture of frizzy hair can result in stunning and unique hairstyles.